In this screencast, we will see how ABBYY FineReader can be used for conversion of documents saved in image formats into searchable and editable formats, such as Microsoft Office, for example. Also, I will show some advantages of searchable documents compared to not searchable. And finally, we will see how one can scan paper document for further conversion in ABBYY FineReader. Okay, so let's see what do we have. Here in this folder, there are lots of different documents saved in different image formats, such as TIFF, PNG, JPG, and here we have got a couple of PDF, but as you may see, all the pages here are just images, so you can't copy or run search inside this document. Okay, also we have got one order which have been received in paper, and we need to scan it and to process in Excel. So let's see how ABBYY FineReader can be used for these tasks. After its installation, it is available in Start menu, and all you have to do just to click on ABBYY FineReader icon, and here it is. Okay, let's start from scanning of paper order which we recently have received. So you press on Scan button, and scanning interface appears. Here you should select parameters of scanning, but 300 DPI and grayscale color mode are more than enough for confident conversion. So I press Scan button, and ABBYY FineReader connects automatically to the scanner and scans the order. Okay, now the scanning process has been finished, and we may close this window. And here is our purchase order. But for our analysis, imagine that we need only this table. Basically, we don't need all this text here and here. So we simply can delete unnecessary blocks by selecting them and pressing del button, and here. Okay, so for the time being only this block left selected, and as you may see, ABBYY FineReader automatically identified that this is table. Now all we have to do just to press Save button, and ABBYY FineReader offers to save needed table in Excel sheet. So I prefer to save it on my desktop, and I press Save button. And here is our order. Basically, you may analyze the data and do whatever you need with this order. So this is how easily you can convert paper documents into editable formats, such as Microsoft Excel, for example. Okay, now imagine that among all our documents saved in this folder, we would like to find one invoice issued for computer details, and also we need to find loan agreement and check interest rate charged by the bank. Okay, for sure we could simply open each and every document unless we find the necessary one, and then we could read the loan agreement and find relevant clause with interest rate. But all these steps will take a lot of time, and in case of ABBYY FineReader usage, we can make everything much quicker. So ABBYY FineReader has Automation Manager integrated, which helps to configure the program for automated conversion of documents. Okay, so as you could see, it is available in menu. You press Tools and Automation Manager, and we create new task. Let's call it conversion to searchable PDFs. I press OK button. Okay, so first step is to import images. We will open them from the folder, and here I can specify the folder. I press Browse and select the needed one. So all our invoices are saved here. So I select this folder for input, and we don't have any subfolders, therefore I do not put this tick. Press OK. The second step is to read the documents, and third step is to save documents. So I select Save Document, and here we may change the output folder. Let it be in the same place, but we make new one. We call it searchable. Searchable docs. I press enter. Okay. And also here you may specify the needed format. Okay, I would like to get searchable PDFs, so I select PDF here, and there are several options which file gonna be created, and in my case I would like to save the same naming as source images. Okay. And basically that's it. We create automated task. We may press Finish, and as you may see, new task appeared here in the list, conversion to SPDFs. And for the time being, I would like to run this task in order to convert all my documents into searchable ones. So I simply press Run button. Here it goes. ABBYY FineReader automatically opens all files found in this folder and starts conversion process. Conversion process will take around 2-3 minutes, since totally in all imported documents there are 44 pages. Finally, ABBYY FineReader saves all converted files in searchable PDFs, and in a couple of seconds we will be able to see the result. Okay, 99%. So the task is finished. If we open our initial folder, we may see that in searchable docs, the folder which we created for export of converted documents, new PDF files appear, and these files are searchable. Let me show you what does it mean. If your files are saved in searchable format, that means that Windows automatically index them, and you may search for needed document on the basis of text written inside this document. For instance, as we already discussed, I would like to find a loan agreement and check the interest rate. So I go to Start menu and start typing in search field loan agreement, loan agreement, and interest rate, So basically there is only one document left, and I click on it, and immediately I found my loan agreement, and also I can search inside this document by typing here interest rate. I'm finding needed clause within several seconds. So basically first task is done. We found how interest rate is calculated. And second task was to find among all these documents invoice issued for some computer stuff we have recently bought. So again, I go to search field and start typing invoice, and I remember that I have bought Bluetooth mouse. So I start typing blue, and there is only one PDF file found. So I click on it, and here it is. Yeah, this is the needed invoice, and as you may see, we have got here hard drive, USB keyboard, and Bluetooth mouse. And basically it was the word which helped us to find this invoice. And now we know that the file named image parentheses 3.pdf. So here it is. You see how quick we managed to find necessary invoice without even knowing the file name. Okay, and finally what I would like to show, with ABBYY FineReader you can easily convert document received in image format. For instance, these PDF files has only images inside, into editable format. Imagine that you would like to sign similar contract with your new client. You have got two options. You may start typing this contract, but instead of wasting your time for typing, you may use ABBYY FineReader. So let me show how quick and simple you may convert this document into Microsoft Word. All you have to do, just make right click on this document, and in drop-out menu you select ABBYY FineReader and convert to Microsoft Word document. And the conversion process starts automatically, and something like less than in 10 seconds ABBYY FineReader will open Microsoft Word with needed document. And as you may see, it is ready for work. You may edit it, you may insert necessary company name, and print it for signing with a new client. So basically this is all that I wanted to show you about ABBYY FineReader. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope it was useful.